Very good evening traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading once again. Let us show you what is mean by evening market. So evening market means it is working especially for MCX like crude oil, silver, gold, copper, natural gas and all. Suppose if you don't get proper entry in the morning session, suppose you are not able to trade in the morning session, suppose if you feel that morning there will be no movement in the market unless the US market comes in. So if you are such person who wants to trade in the evening market alone, then we have a very good features in our indicator. So that is MST iCore 2.0 evening market trade. So we will be having good movement and good profit also. Now let me show you with the default setting first. Okay, I will just go here and give reset settings. What happened in the morning market? First let us see, then I will come to evening session, because if I straight away show you the evening session, then some of you will comment that morning session was loss, that's why he is showing only evening session. It is not so. We are ready to show you everything, but there will be no time, that's why we are restricting ourselves. Okay, so now what happened? Sell activated. If sell activated, what we are supposed to do? We have to enable the sell targets and we have to remove the buy entry. Also we have to enable the second buy targets so that we will be getting the full profit. What is the full profit? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Clear? That is the thing. Now you see exactly sell activated perfectly. See the first buy target, it is 6784. What is our target? 6785. Exactly our first target hit. And one more thing we have told you, suppose if you are finding such a Bahubali candle, instead of going for that trading immediately, you can use this Kabaddi calculation. This is one method. If you don't follow also, no problem. If you are comfortable in following this, then you can follow this. Now you see the high made was 6811 and our entry 6812. So here sell activated and first target perfectly hit. After that what happened? Here buy activated and all the targets have been hit. So now we should know where the market will reverse from. For that we are having the option in the evening market. Go to the indicator settings. See, once again I am giving the reset settings. And I will show you by enabling the sell target here. So this is the important part I wanted to show you. See here, sell activated and targets hit. After hitting first target, what we will be doing? If we are having more number of lots, we will be revising our stop loss to cost. Then only we will be waiting for the next targets. Okay. So now we've got the profit. After profit only second buy activated and all the targets hit. Okay. Now how to enter this one? Suppose we are telling if buy activated there is no sell, if sell activated there is no buy unless SL hit. Okay. Now SL hit, that is why we are going for the second buy, but before that we got the target. That also we should not forget. And here we have given this buy sell signals based on the MAC. Now you see the MAC has given you exact buy signal. The immediate next candle is a red candle in the normal one. So we are supposed to avoid this entry. And the next candle is a green candle. So now here we are going for the buy entry. For that also I have given the option. Go to the Heikin-Ashi candlestick pattern. Where it is? Scroll down. Yeah. You show here, show Heikin-Ashi candle. If the Heikin-Ashi candle is a green candle, it is green candle. Now you can consider this candle high. Once high is broken at 50% retracement or closing price of the second candle, you can go for the buy entry. And the stop loss would be this candle low. Target would be difference between the entry and the stop loss. Okay. So now perfectly all the targets have been achieved. Unless the Heikin-Ashi candle is turning red, okay, you can be on the trade. Or one more method we have given is moving average 21. Go to the moving average 21 and enable it. Unless the market is above this moving average 21, don't exit from the market. So only here it has turned below the moving average 21. So by this way you can get more profits in a single market. So this is one method. Another method, I started with the evening market. What is evening market? Simply go to the market type and keep it in evening market. That's all. No other settings we have to do. These Heikin-Ashi colors and all only extra additional features. Our ultimate indicator works on the default settings better. So now evening market, if you are office going people, after coming from office, you can use this evening market. So sell activated, enable all the targets. If you want, you can add extra targets. So in the evening market, you will be having more movement, so you can extend the target also to 1:2 ratio. Now you see what has happened. Perfectly, all the 4 targets, 4th target is almost to reach now. 3 targets almost reached on 1:2 ratio. 1:2 ratio. Okay. See, perfectly it has given the target. And one more method is what? If you are finding this candle, Bahubali candle, the method is you can go here and you can extend for the level, Kabaddi calculation. If you wish, you can do, otherwise you can ignore. That is up to you. So now the entry is very perfect. We got the entry, first target, second target, third target, and the 4th target. Before market gets over, we will be getting for sure. So this is the method we have to follow, and it will be working for all. Along with this, we have taught you a very good strategy, R3C, and some candlestick pattern. Wherever you find such a pattern, don't miss the trade. Hope it is clear. We wish everyone to have a profitable trades ahead. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask us, and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as the Telegram channel. Give your valuable feedback and suggestions. We will be happy to take as the input. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.